Welcome back, viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to groom your dog. She's a little nervous. Sometimes she jumps on me and she wants me to hold her, but that's okay because mommy loves her. So today we have just a regular dog grooming shaver. You can get them anywhere. You can get them off Amazon. I think this one at Walmart. They're pretty cheap, and by the time you groom your dogs, it's going to pay for itself because grooming is so expensive. And plus, these little guys have anxiety from us. So we never have groomed her, but we've groomed Rocco, and he gets very nervous when he comes back. So we just don't do it anymore. I do it at home. So they're not like, show dogs. So as long as I'm happy with it, then it's okay. And it makes them more comfortable. I know people with bigger dogs, it may be a little harder, but there are ways to do it. I've done my son's dog, and he's, she's much bigger than her, and she's only 3 pounds. I think his dog's like 12 or 15, but I don't really get into the big dogs because I'm not able to hold them myself. Anyway, so we're going to start by grooming Bella. And like I said, she's got a little bit of anxiety, but she's, only 3 pounds. And she doesn't like the noise. So I start at the back and I use a number 1 because I like my Yorkies short when it's hot out. I live in the Midwest. It's like 100 million degrees. So I start at the back and just start going really fast because I want to make it as less traumatizing for her. I mean, I don't want to traumatize her, obviously, but she doesn't like it, but I know she gets hot, so I just try to go as fast as I can, and nothing's hurting her. And I don't, let me stop here. I don't cut this part because she has a little pony, so I kind of keep that in her pony, and when she gets her bath, then I'll take it out and redo it. But I keep it in there while I'm grooming her so I don't cut her pony. Oops. Yeah, see, sometimes she does this because she gets scared, but it's okay. It's all right, yeah. Okay. So here we go again. You're okay. And just talk to your pet. They love you and they trust you. It's just something that they don't like because it's a noise and a vibration on them and they just don't like it. But when a stranger does it, they become more anxious. And it's kind of hard on them. Some dogs love grooming and that's fine. But I found out that it's cheaper and I can take as much time or as little time as I want to groom her. But I always like to start at the back because that way I can hold her. She's like, I want to jump away. Yeah, so say hi, everyone. Yeah, so I just kind of, oh, see, we have to have snug time because she gets scared. It's all right, baby. Okay. All right, we'll go as fast as we can. Oh, I know. I know. I've actually groomed her holding her before, which is really difficult, but she's a sweetheart. You just got to try to do it as fast as you can. Like I said, I'm doing it on a number 1 because I want her short in the back. And I know that's not like the style for Yorkies. Okay, we're going to stop for 1 moment. Okay, you're okay. But like, this is her normal. And Yorkies get kind of like dirty and kind of messy looking. She can roll on the floor and still like just have a bath, and then the next day she looks like she's not been groomed. But that's why I like to kind of keep her short. Plus, because it's like 100 out. Okay, so sometimes we have to do this because she gets scared. So Mama holds her like this. So there's this let me show you real quick. There's this little thin part of their skin right there, kind of in their leg area, hip. Be really, really careful because you can kind of slice into that. So just be super careful. Always have a guard on because if you don't have that guard on, you can slice her skin. I always like to kind of pull the hair out and grab it. That's kind of a easy way to do it. I know, sweetheart. It's okay. You're okay. Mommy loves you. Yeah. You're a good girl. I also do my mom's dog. She's a Bashan. And he's really hard to do because he's bigger and he's so furry and so curly. But we managed to do it and get them all looking cute. Just kind of pull that hair out so you don't cut that little, they have such thin skin right there. So I was just kind of like pull it through there so that we're not, like I said, usually this is the way I cut her hair because she gets scared so she ends up on me. But try not to cut her little mane. I call her little mane because she looks like a baby lion. So, I know, you don't like it, do you? But it's better than being away from mommy. Yeah, she gets upset. Oh, it's okay. So we're gonna turn this way and then she'll probably jump on me. But I'm just taking that extra hair off of her. And Yorkies are really high maintenance as far as their grooming. I leave their face, Rocco's face, longer, and then hers is longer because she has her pony, and she really doesn't like her feet done. So we're gonna do her little tushy. So what I recommend, if I can get her unstuck, is okay. She's not. So I kind of lift her tail up. She's just gonna get on me. So I lift her little tail up and go under there real quick because they don't like this, but I like to get that all nice and cleaned up. She does not like that. Yeah, you don't like that. I think she might have growled a little, yeah. Okay. So see, I did this side. I'm sorry, baby. And then this side, see, it's still pretty long. So we want to get her looking real pretty. So she's going to jump on me again. This is her normal behavior because she gets scared. But see, they'll tie her up at the groomer around her neck, and she would not like that. And I don't want her to have to go through that because that gives me anxiety just thinking about it. Her being there by herself, and I know they're doggies, but they're our babies. So, and I know that a lot of people think that they're their babies. So you don't want your babies to feel anxiety or stressed out. Yes, she's not happy with me doing this, but once she's done, she'll be fine, and she'll be running around like crazy, and she won't have that long. They don't always have time, and you have to make an appointment, and then they sit in a kennel, and Rocco did not like that. He was really scared. Oops. Okay, so we're doing good. Oops, I'm sorry, Bella. I'm sorry. But we're getting a fair amount of hair off of her. Just kind of be super gentle. I know, I'm sorry. She's not mean whatsoever. She just does not like this. But it's okay. Okay. So we have her looking nice and pretty in the back. Let me get this side done. Say hello, everyone. Yeah. But she has a nice looking coat. See how pretty that looks instead of all this wiry stuff to her. And then I bought this at Walmart. It was like $10, and it's quieter, which I like compared to this. It's louder and scares her, but it's a dog grooming trimmer. But this one's less, and that way you can do their feet. And it's a little bit. You got to get in those paws and just shave the hair off the paws. Oh, I'm sorry. She does not like the vibration. I'm sorry. But see how she just doesn't like it. So I would not want anybody else to do it but me. You're okay. Oh, it's okay. So we're just gonna sit on me and do it. So you just send their little paw back real gently. Watch their knees because they have the little kneecaps. Sometimes Their patellas or something. I don't know. They pop out easy. So just be super. Oh no, baby. So you shave the paw flat. I'm not going to do each one because that's kind of boring. But just with this little Oster, however you say that, Walmart, $10, easy, and it's quiet. That's what I like about it. And just get in her little paws. So that's what you do, and that, you know, gets her down. The number one gets her down to where I like it. I don't cut her face unless she needs trimming, like in her eye area, which just a little bit. She needs just a little bit. Just a little tiny, just like around their nose, right in here. And like sometimes right there, that hair will get in her eyes. But otherwise, I leave her long right here because she looks so cute. But anyway, that's how you groom your dog. And the legs are the same. You just go up and down her legs, and you know, you use the shaver and go up and down the legs. But I mean, it doesn't take that long. And then I'll finish her up off camera, and then we'll give her a bath. Next, we're going to do Rocco. Okay, this is Rocco. Gotta get Bella's hair out of the way. We could make another little Bella out of all this hair. Okay, so this is Rocco. And he's the one that we took to the groomer. Want to say hello? We took to a groomer and he got so scared. We took him to one, he got scared, and we thought, well, maybe it was the groomer. So, got hair on my nose. So, we took him to a little mom and pop store. He still got scared. So, it's his personality. He just doesn't like it. So, I'm not going to put him through it. He does obviously is scared when I do it, but it's much better if he's with me. So, number one, I'm going to shave him down as well, just not his face, because they look cute. So I start at the back. You're okay. It's all right. Just keep going. And you can do this on any dog. It doesn't have to be a Yorkie. Like a long-haired Chihuahua. We used to have a long-haired Chihuahua, and I trimmed him up. He went to doggy heaven, a little angel. But I used to do all his. Be honest, when I first started doing it, he looked a little weird, but I got better. Somewhat. At least I think I did. It's just, you know, he was so furry and fluffy. Way furrier than this one. Just because he was part Pomeranian and part Chihuahua. So he was super fluffy, super adorable. And, you know, I'm going to do 2 dogs. And I think these are like $30 to $40. I don't remember. I'll have to look it up and put a link below for you if you want to buy it. One, or you can just look on Amazon or something. But it pays for itself, you know. I'm on my 2nd dog, and you know, I don't have to take them anywhere. I don't have to stress them out. This one wants to climb on me too. Okay. All right, baby. It's all right. Yeah. He's like, I'm gonna climb on you too. He normally never climbs on me, but it's okay. I'm okay with that. Okay, so now we're gonna do his tail, which this is really hard to do because you're so long. You have the long legs, yeah. Okay, so yeah, he's not so thrilled with me right now, but kind of get the tushy hair. So that's all you do. You buy one of these. I use a number 1. You can use a number 2 or a number 1, but I like the number 1 because I like them short, so that it takes them a little bit while to grow out. But I'm gonna finish him off camera. We'll be back and then give him a bath. Okay, so we're back. I got them all groomed up the best I could. Little Yorkies, or at least my Yorkies, have they're prone to ear infections, so they have these little shower caps that I got them so that I don't get water in their ears, because I know that's a big old vet visit. So now we're just going to give her a little bath. Get a little shower cap on. Is that cute or what? Say hi. Okay, so you can use whatever shampoo you want. They have to use, whoopsie, they have to use their little vet stuff because they have sensitive skin. Of course they do, right? But yeah, they're just getting their little bath and a little more shampoo on them. This is just like an anti-itch stuff from the vet. Oh! Nope, that happens. See, that happens. Oops, there you are. Okay. So we just give them their little bath, and they don't mind this too much. To get underneath her. There. Oops, there went that one. Keep that water out of your ears. Okay. Get your hiney. Get your hiney. Get your hiney. Make sure they're all washed up. And I'm going to drain it and rinse them. Rinse, rinse, rinse. You good, Bella? So, by an hour of my time, little under an hour probably, was able to save money and keep them from being so upset after a vet or a grooming visit. Okay, so we're done with our grooming. We're done with our baths. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.